I'm working since 12 years for Brancam. Since rough 8 years we are in the MARPOSS group. So now I support worldwide the MARPOSS distributors to sell our products, especially for the forming industry like the Fastener Industry. So therefore I'm here on the MARPOSS India booth to show our products to the customer.
Wonderful. So, when it comes to MARPOSS market in India, how would you like to talk about it?
Yeah, so at the beginning, before we were in the MARPOSS group, for us it was a very small market. So, and the principle of MARPOSS is to buy strong local companies. So we are strong in Europe, in Germany especially. So, and then we now want to develop different markets like India for us. So before this we have only a couple of customers, and now we see that there is a huge potential in India. The market is developing, so therefore, and we are part of this.
So Fastener, and you are using technology word with Fastener, and that's pretty new in India. What would you like to say about it? How are you mixing technology with Fastener-like industry? What's different in that? What's your product?
Yeah, it's different because the machine types are different to Europe, for example, and therefore here I think we have to go step back a little bit, yeah. So we have to convince the customers because it's completely new to mount sensors, to glue sensors on the machines. So therefore we start at point zero, yeah, and we have to convince the customers that that helps to improve the quality, yeah, that we can speed up the machines, so that we can protect the tool and the machines. So therefore it's completely new, and so we have to convince the customers. Yeah.
Wonderful. So what all machines have you exhibited here in this exhibition today?
Yeah, so here we exhibit two of our product lines. It's the X unit line, it's the X1 and X3S, up to 8 channels. We have different kinds of piezo sensors, and on the booth you will also find other products of MARPOSS like ROL to measure the diameter of the wire, and we have an optical inspection system, OptoFlash, which is a 2D camera system, yeah, to detect the quality after the product is finished.
Wonderful. Yeah. And what are the expectations from Fastener Expo? Today is day one.
Yeah, so day one, until now we were very happy. Yeah? So a lot of customers came here, a lot of new customers, and we see that some of the customers are coming back now for years. Yeah, we are in discussion with them because it takes time. It's not a technology which you buy directly, so sometimes it really takes years to convince the customers, to talk to them until they start. So therefore the first day for us was good. Yeah, new customers, old customers are here, so I think we are happy. Yeah.